Hope Cymru is an exciting new movement to reconnect Wales with the most important person of all. Well, hello and welcome to the Hope Cymru Talk Show. I'm Marcus Nelson, and today I'm joined by special guest Dr. Jane Williams.
It's from Christianity's influence in our country that we've got so many of the good things that we have.
The Lord understands us, He gets us, He's got many more people for us, and it's our responsibility to go out and find the lost sheep and welcome them in.
We can't do anything to make God love us less or love us more. Because of Christ, we are loved to the uttermost.
Let's pray that that will happen once again across the land, that many, many people can come to know Jesus and trust and love Him for the very first time.